Hey you guys, welcome or welcome back. This is your girl Britt and this is my hideaway. And come here, I got something to tell you. Come here. Come here. If you trying to do your own nails at home, trying to save a couple of dollars, trying to save that queen, and you trying to start doing your own nails at home, Gelx nails at home, don't worry, I got you. I got you. Okay? Stay tuned, alright? If you're looking to start doing your own nails at home, you're trying to save you a couple dollars, try to save you some coins, I got you. So before I get into the essentials or what I have, I will tell you that they do have kits. They come with the little lamp. They come with the tips. I believe they come with the glue. I'll try to look up some and I'll put them right here. Everything is on Amazon. So let's get into the video, okay? Real quick before we get into the video, I forgot to mention two important items. You need cuticle oil, bam, and you need them UV gloves, bam. So you're trying to save a couple coins, you know, you want to do your own nails at home, huh? Okay, I got you, I got you. The first thing that you're going to need is, you're going to need nail tips. You can't do Gelx nails if you don't have the tips, right? So yes, I do have 3 tips, 3 different types of tips because I like to get a little creative. So I had, and I don't have time, listen, I don't want to be filing and trying to get the perfect shape. I'm just going to buy my shape. So I have almond, I have coffin, and I have the square, and they are all medium. I do cut them down sometimes if they're too long. I cut them down. It just depends on how I feel. But they are all by the Beatles. So we have the square. We have the coffin. Up. We have the square. We have the coffin. And we have the almond. All right. There's my nail tips. Alright, next we have our nail glue. So I have Beatles nail glue. This is the only glue I have. I have 2 of them. This one's I will link down in the description box down below. Like I said, everything I have is from Amazon, so I'm going to link it for you just in case you want to go out and purchase it. Don't try to buy everything at one time. I bought everything like piece by piece, but I would recommend getting the kit that has everything already in it. Alright, and then you will definitely need dehydrator and primer. Dehydrator and primer. And if you're interested on what I do with all these products, how to do it, I also do have a video. I have a couple videos on how to do my Gelx nails, so I also link that in the description box down below, alright? Okay. And next, you will need so if you get the kit, they give you a small flash cure lamp. It was a little difficult for me to try to, you know, maneuver my finger under the lamp. So I did purchase one myself. So I have the big one. This one came with a kit that I bought. It just has the little, you plug it into an outlet. I have all my stuff in my drawer right here. And then I also got a flash cure lamp, a gooseneck. So I just hook this onto my lamp that's on my desk when I do my nails, and then I plug it into the back of the lamp because it has a place where you can plug this at, and you can move it wherever you got to go to get that one nail. Okay. All right, and next you will need nail files. And I did get a package that had like a assortment of different files. So I got different files. You will need some files. Definitely will need some files, honey. You got to find them things, okay? You also have to, before you paint your nails, it's good to buff the nail tips just so the polish can stick to it better. Okay? And then the last two things that you will need base coats and top coat. So after you file your nail, after you put the Gel X nails on, and after you buff them, then I would start with the base gel first, and then I'll go in with the color, whatever color polish you want. Or if you want them clear, you can just go ahead and put that on there, and then cure that, and then top it off with some top coat. Okay. Now there are like I did name one of them that I purchased that you don't have to purchase immediately. But I do have three things that I did purchase. One was the flash cure lamp that I showed you, and and before I forget, you will need to buy some acetone, 100% acetone. This is the one that I use. I also got this off Amazon as well. So after I prep my natural nails, I go ahead and I clean it up with some acetone. Make sure there's no dust or anything like that, because you would hate for them to lift. Okay. All right. So I got an e-file. I like this one right here because it has different speeds. Cause baby, I was scared I was gonna cut myself. I still am. I take my time. So I do have an e-file. I do. This one is a Melody Susie. I like this one because you can change it to different speeds. I'm gonna stay at the low speeds for right now. And then it also comes with sanding bits and the different bits that you need to do your nails. All right. And other than that, that's it. So I guess the next portion of this video, I'm gonna do a little nail haul for y'all. I already showed y'all all the sequences right here and the liners, but these are all the polishes. All of these, all of these polishes, they came with the lamp that I got, and then these I started purchasing separately from Beetles. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. If you are a returning subscriber, y'all already know how I feel about y'all. And if you're new here, hopefully you subscribe and join the family, alright? So I'll talk to y'all in the next video. Oh, wait, I think Matthias wants to say hi. You want to say hi, Matthias? Okay, come on. You know, he can't, he got to be in at least one. It's okay, come here. Come here, come around. Come on. Hold on. Matthias wants to say hi, y'all.
Hi, all. How you good?
Say how you doing?
How you doing?
Did you miss them?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we got to say bye. We got to close this video out. Tell them to like.
Bye.
Wait. You got to tell them to like.
Like. Share.
And subscribe.
Get the time.
All right. Tell them bye.
Bye.
I'm good. 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 I'm good.